Hello, Crypto Go community. Today we're diving into Bitget, a rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchange that's making waves in the trading world. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy start or a pro trader searching for advanced features, Bitget offers a mix of security, low fees, and innovative trading options. Plus, I'll share an exclusive referral code, VUGB, that lets you claim up to $1,000 in sign-up bonuses. Let's break down Bitget's strengths, weaknesses, and why it might be the right exchange for you. What is Bitget? Founded in 2018, Bitget has quickly become a top 10 crypto exchange by trading volume, serving over 12 million users in 100-plus countries. Based in Singapore, Bitget is best known for spot and futures trading, low fees and high liquidity, copy trading, follow experienced traders and automate strategies. Security and compliance, strong regulations and partnerships, advanced trading tools, multiple order types, AI-powered analytics, user-friendly experience, a smooth interface for both desktop and mobile. Bitget is designed to be accessible to both beginners and professionals, offering low fees, high leverage futures trading, and a unique copy trading system. Key features of Bitget: one spot and futures trading, low fees and high leverage. Bitget offers spot trading with a wide selection of 500-plus cryptocurrencies, as well as futures trading with up to 125x leverage. Spot trading, for buying and selling crypto at current market prices. Futures trading, leverage up to 125x, but higher risk. Low trading fees, 0.1% for spot, 0.02% for futures makers. Cheaper than Binance. With deep liquidity and minimal slippage, Bitget is a great choice for active traders. 2. Copy trading. Best in the industry? One of Bitget's biggest strengths is copy trading, where you can follow and replicate the trades of professional traders. Great for beginners, learn by copying successful traders. Passive trading strategy. Earn while doing minimal work. Transparency. Check trader performance, risk levels, and profit history. With over 100,000 elite traders to follow, Bitget's copy trading system is one of the best in the crypto space. 3rd, security and regulatory compliance. Bitget takes security seriously with $300 million protection fund, covers potential losses from hacks. KYC and compliance measures, licensed in multiple regions. Cold wallet storage, user funds are securely stored offline. While Bitget hasn't suffered major security breaches, it's still important to use two-factor authentication and store large funds in a personal wallet. 4th, user experience and mobile app. Bitget's interface is modern, smooth, and beginner-friendly. The mobile app is available on iOS and Android, offering real-time price alerts and trading tools. Mobile copy trading automation, secure login and instant transactions. The 4.5+ star ratings on app stores confirm Bitget's mobile experience is one of the best for traders on the go. Pros and cons of Bitget. Pros: low trading fees, 0.1% for spot, 0.02% for futures makers. High leverage trading, 125x for futures. Industry-leading copy trading platform, $300 million security protection fund. No KYC required for basic withdrawals. Cons: limited fiat deposit options in some regions. Not available in the US due to regulations. High leverage trading is risky for beginners. Referral code: VUGB, claim up to $1,000 bonus. Sign up with referral code VUGB to unlock up to $1,000 in rewards, including deposit bonuses, extra funds based on your first deposit, trading fee discounts, reduced costs for futures and spot trading, exclusive rewards for active traders. How to claim your bonus. 1. Click the sign-up link in the video description. Enter referral code VUGB during registration. 3. Complete verification and make your first deposit. 4. Start trading and enjoy your rewards. Final thoughts. Is Bitget worth it? Bitget is a top-tier exchange that combines low fees, copy trading, and security, making it a great choice for both beginners and advanced traders. Best for copy traders, futures traders, and those looking for a secure exchange. Not ideal for U.S. traders or those who prefer traditional banking deposit methods. If you're looking for an alternative to Binance or Bybit, Bitget is an excellent option with strong security and innovative features. Sign up today. Want to start trading and earn rewards? Use referral code VUGB and sign up through the link in the video description to claim up to $1,000 in bonuses. Like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto insights.